Hey, thank you so much for booking an appointment with us. We just want to kind of give you a little rundown on what to expect at your first visit. So first off, my name is Dr. Grady, and this is Dr. Jessica. We are the treating doctors here at Restoration Chiropractic, and we just want to thank you for trusting us with your health.
So yeah, the first thing that we do when you come to our office is we check to make sure that you have your paperwork filled out ahead of time. We typically will send that via email, so you can submit it electronically, but if you don't have a chance to do that, you can come to our office a little bit early and fill that out with a paper copy. The next thing that we do is we like to give a tour, just so that you know where everything is. It's a quick tour, that way you're comfortable and we can kind of explain our process as we make our way back to the exam room.
After that tour, like she said, we'll go to the exam room. We want to sit down, we want to get to know you, your health concerns, your goals, and how we can address that. Then we'll get you scanned with some NASA certified technology where we can really see how that nervous system is functioning, where your stress areas are. After those scans, every situation, every case is different, so it's possible that we'll need to get pictures of your spine. We do have x-ray here on site to do that, not only to save you money, but also save you time so you don't have to get those taken somewhere else. And like I said, every situation, every case is different, but it's possible you'll get adjusted on that first day. The thing is we need a little bit of time to really analyze your case, make sure that we're not missing anything. We don't want to wing it, and hope that you get results. We're going to be very specific with what we do.
So at your next appointment, we like to sit down and give our customized and personalized